Okay, so I have logged into my Shopify admin, and here I will be installing the Instamart AI chatbot. I will go to my app and save because I have already installed it, so I can install it from here again. Install. You will sign up. Okay, now you'll be receiving an email, and in there you will get a client token. Click on verify, and now you need to log in. Okay, so now you go to setup chatbot. Here you'll find the guideline for setting up the chatbot. You have to add a client token. You must have got client token in your email. Click on save. Now you can see that the client token is added. So next you need to set up the general settings. Here you can add your company logo. By default, there is a chatbot avatar. You can change it. There is a theme color, chatbot name. So let's say you want to add a chatbot name. So save, right? And then you can find. You can add a welcome message. Let's say hi, how can I help you? Click on save, and now you can see the changes. Similarly, you can change all other settings. Next, you can go to home settings. At first, you can add important URLs. Go here, add URL, title, let's say test. You can upload. You can see the URL list. Similarly, you can add documents. You can add events. Right? Next comes the content management. Using this, you can train your AI chatbot. So, first step is to add topics and subtopics. Click on add topic. So, your topic can be anything. This topic is JavaScript. Subtopic can be anything. You can add. We'll see your topics as subtopic. You can delete it. Click on delete button. Next, go to knowledge base. Here you can upload file or URL to train your AI chatbot. So let's say you want to add URL. Click on URL, add URL. You can choose a topic and subtopic. So for example, I want to add a URL for subtopic node. The URL, add it, and upload. Similarly, you can add URL for other subtopics, right? Train your subtopic using this URL. Check it, click on actions, and train. Training is successful. Now you can check it again, and you can extract prompts. Prompt is extracted successfully. Next, you can go to prompt. You can select your topic. You can select subtopic, and you can see all the prompts which are generated. You can change your prompts here. Click on save. Right. After saving these prompts, you can test your chatbot. Click on the chatbot. Here you can see the welcome message topic. Click on topic, you will get the subtopic. Click on the first subtopic, and you will get the same prompts. Right? You can see your prompts getting answered. Right? Okay. Next comes the subscription part. So to subscribe on our Shopify plan, go to subscription, click on subscribe. You'll be redirected to the Shopify admin. Here you can add your debit card and credit card and click on approve. Now you can see that the plan is now starter plan. And to verify, and click on subscription again, and you will no longer see the subscription button. Right? Now to integrate your Shopify website on your now to integrate your chatbot on Shopify website, then click on online store, click on customize, right? Click on footer. So you will see the GentAI chatbot. Click on it. Now you can see that your chatbot is already uh, installed here, right? And you will need to put your client token here, and then click on save. Click on footer, add block. You will see our GentAI chatbot listed here. Click on it. As you can see, your chatbot is installing here. Next, you have to add your client token here. This is the same client token which you have set in our admin panel. Copy it and paste it here. Now next, click on save. Now you can test your Shopify website. Click on view. This is your Shopify website, and your AI chatbot is successfully installed. Click on it. As you can see, the links you have added is shown up here. The welcome message is shown up here. You are getting a welcome message, topics, subtopic, and then the prompts that are generated. Okay? Thank you.